alive in the sound of music. Amazing view here. Also, everybody sing. The hills are alive and the sound of music. Что не туса, не, сейчас бейте на татива. Bite you. Oh my gosh. You cannot see moving. Watch now, watch now. Hey, wait. Watch now, wait. Okay, he's trying. I'm scared that he might bite me. Wait. Sandali lang po. Wait. Oh my gosh, look at the view here. I told my husband to ask help up there. It's coming. Wait lang po. Wow! Nakalabas na siya. Ayan. Very good.
This is Frutigen, a village in the capital region of Switzerland, Bern. Frutigen is an ideal takeoff point for adventures into the alpine world where dreamy forest sections and meadows decorated with local animals await you. Plus, of course, the magnificent Swiss Alps as your breathtaking backdrop. Frutigen is a traffic hub. Travelers to a more popular tourist spot, Adelboden, must change from train to bus here. Please check out the link in the description if you'd like to see how scenic the Frutigen train station is. We won't be hiking now, but we're staying down here and simply enjoy this beautiful community. Take a look and listen. Frutigen, 800 meters above sea level, is surrounded by mountains. In summer, it is a paradise for hikers and cyclists. In winter, it is a skier's gateway to the mountains. Frutigen is connected with nearby Adelboden. Buses to Adelboden start from the Frutigen railway station. Whether you love hiking or cycling, Frutigen is a region where 20 hidden gems are waiting to be explored and visited. There are a few nice walking trails in the area, and Frutigen is centrally located for excursions to Kandersteg, Kiental, and Adelboden.
I'll send her my heart covered as a gift, and hope that you'll take it into her side.
Frutigen is a very old little town. Objects from the Bronze area and also from the Roman area got found on the territory of today's Frutigen. Today, Frutigen is a modern small center for the area. There are a few budget hotels and a few restaurants, a regional hospital, and many shopping opportunities. From time to time, there is a cattle market. Whether you are traveling on your own as a family or a group, or you are looking for a romantic getaway for two, Frutigen has something to offer for everyone with its chalets, holiday homes, and even farmhouses. There are plenty of places to see and visit around Frutigen. Tropenhaus is a top attraction in this area. It is a tropical building with warm water coming from the mountain that helps to grow exotic fruits and to farm the fish sturgeons. The Blausee is not far from Frutigen. This deep blue lake with its crystal clear waters lies in an idyllic setting in a traffic-free nature park covering an area of 20 hectares. Attractions include a trout farm, boat trips, walks, and a restaurant. Another highlight of the region is the Hanging Bridge or Hastalde Suspension Bridge, 153 meters long and one of the longest pedestrian hanging bridges in Europe. It crosses the Engsligental at a height of 38 meters, a wetland landscape of national significance above Frutigen.
From up there to down here, we found our place.